Hello, friends. First, I wanted to apologize. I came in Croatia from Germany because I live in Germany, but in Croatia I have also house. So I came in house where nobody is live for almost a year, half year probably, and I'm cleaning and washing everything, and I'm super tired for I don't have my inspiration. I take everything from Germany, my pens and my pencils and my paper. I have a lot of things here, but I didn't have power to draw. So I decided to show you my super old works because I am drawing all my life. And we will start with a very funny thing, and that is this. This I was paint with watercolors in my kindergarten, and this is my mother. So when I show her this, she said, "Why are you showing me this?" But I didn't grow up with my mother. I grew up with my granny, and she saved all my old works. I was 5 or 6 years old when I drew this. Then I started to draw. I was always how watercolors look like. And I always try to draw watercolors. Here is some sky and some sea and some rocks. But this is also from very long time ago. Not when I was 5, but maybe teenager or something. I always admired when some a lone tree standing on the field, and here it is with the moon. Then here is something when I was learning to draw with watercolor. I was learning, and this is the picture which I paint from some book or something. This is my first attempt on abstract something. I don't know, I don't think this is nice came out, but I saving it. Then I try to paint some flowers. This is also very old. This is all my old works before I was 20. This is some bridge, and I like this painting. I always like this painting, I don't know. Then we have this. This is very dark, but I always like this painting, and I have it framed. But I don't know. My mother came one day and take this out. She didn't like it. She used frames for something else. Then we have this little tree, something like a little wood or something. The picture is damaged, but never mind. I like it and I wanted to show you. Then we have my calligraphy phase. Here I was drawing some leaves, and this is all with a black watercolor. Then I have one work, what is a reproduction from Pablo Picasso, but it's also damaged. But I can throw this away because I like this. I don't know. I think this is a bird. Then this is also pretty damaged painting, but I like it. I like the colors. This is some tree. I'm telling you, I love trees. And when one tree is alone, I love it especially. So this is something yellow in the fall. Then we have this abstract. Then we have this, also abstract, but I don't know what I was thinking. And this is not paper for watercolor, but it came out okay. Then we have this should be a bear, but it does not look like a bear. And this is the birds, also very old. And this is like a galaxy. I love this. I always love space and galaxies. Here's something what should look like I don't know, a wolf watching through the paper. And here it is, my other abstracts with this key. I don't know how it's called on English. Then I have something framed, and that is this. This is some vase with some flowers. I love the colors. I love violet. This is the only two pictures I have one more, but this is the only watercolors I framed. This is some drapes and some tree and something which is pretty nice, I think. People always love this painting when come to my house. Then I try to draw with pastels. And here it is, oily pastels. I see this painting in one show. I can't remember now which show it is, but I really like it. This is like four flowers. One is red and the other ones are yellow. This is also pastels. This is some passage, some stairs, and this is a part of the room and the floor. Some islands. And here it is, my third framed work. It is also pastels. This picture I found on one postmark, and it is pretty small, like this small, but I try to capture this view because I really like it. Some things from this scrapbooking phase. This should be the sun and dandelions, and this is like 3D. Big words. If you don't live for something, you'll die for nothing. Also from my scrapbooking phase. And this little one, I love it. Whatever you are, be a good one. I love this. And then I found one group on Facebook. They making little pictures like this. and every time was a different letter. I don't remember which letter is this, but I like this picture and I save it. So this is probably A for art. What else? So you have a little brush, and this is a poisoned heart. So this is like a 3D. Then we have eclipse. What is this? This is for C for coffee, probably. This, I don't remember which letter is that. Maybe N for nature, but I like it. That is B for bubble. Bubble. And a little fish, a little octopus, some shells. Also, I don't know which letter was that, but I like this picture, so I save it. And the last one, and very dear to me, is this one, Out of Order. Because I love steampunk, and this is look like, this is from straws, make like some pipe, and something here is snap, and this is Out of Order. Then I save this, I don't know why and on which side. You should put this like this or maybe like that. I don't know what is this. And this one, I love this one. This is very vintage and very sparkly, and I like it. My calligraphy face, and this is some things where I like to doodle, and I like to learn how to hand letter nicely. And that is from that face. Then it's here, it's for Mother's Day, 8 March. No, not Mother's Day, Women's Day. Happy 8 March here. Hug me, little cacti. Then it's this lettering. Hurt an artist and you'll see a masterpiece of what you've done. I love this. I love this saying. This is from a song. But I was trying to learn how to write on with these beautiful letters. You got to lose to know how to win. And this, I like people who smile when it's raining. Then this, keep it simple. Then the trouble you think you have time, that is hard true. Then bloom, where you are planted. Then the mind replace what the heart can't relate. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G in the circle. I might look like I'm listening to you, but in my head I'm looking at the stars. Cute. Then this, like with one move you draw something. This is from 2 moves, but never mind. I tried. Then this is a cat who's sleeping. Find on Pinterest. This is also, it's a cat. Then I have some months, but I didn't finish everything. This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August. And then I don't know why I finished it. I didn't finish it. I can't remember why. Oh, and this one. This is a super old. Look how the paper is yellow and dirty. This is from Star Wars. When I was little, I go in the movie with my brother, and my brother is younger than I, much younger, for 5 years or 6 years, I think. And he always wanted to see Star Wars. And I like this poster in front of movie. So, in front of movie theater, so I draw this. Then that was when I was, I don't know, 13, 14 years old. Then I draw this and the moon. But I gave moon to my friend because she liked it very much. Art is not what you see, but what you make others see. This is some flowers. My mother take this and put it in some frames, but I didn't like it, so that's why it look like this. So some flowers with a color pencil. And that is all from me today. I will show you the rest of my works when I came home in Germany. But I think it's very funny how I start so young and I drawing and painting all my life. And I really enjoy this. So here is my first work. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.